This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lisa Kent. Welcome to 884 Hemlock Court, in the 55-plus community of Pepin Creek. This charming single-level 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers an open floor plan with Italian porcelain tile flooring throughout the main living areas, gas fireplace with custom built-ins, sunny breakfast nook, and upgrades throughout. The primary suite features a sitting area, along with a spacious ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms provide versatility for guests or an office. Enjoy the beautiful English-style garden and patio, fully fenced with garden shed. A perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining. Located in a beautiful community with included lawn care, easy access to shopping, dining, and outdoor activities, this home offers both comfort and convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Kent at 360-594-8034.